Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a WireGuard server and setting it up on a WireGuard VPN client on your Android device. WireGuard is a fast and secure VPN protocol designed to protect your online privacy with minimal resource usage. By the end of this video, you'll have your own private VPN server up and running. So let's dive right in. Step 1. To start, open any browser and type UDP Custom in the search bar, then press Enter. From the search results, select the official UDP Custom website to proceed. Once you're on the homepage, click the hamburger icon to expand the menu list. From the list, tap on SSH Servers. A submenu will appear with various options. Scroll down and select WireGuard Server to continue. On the next page, you'll see an account creation form. Enter a username and, if necessary, a valid SNI. If you're unsure, you can leave it blank. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Create Account. Your server will be generated. Once the server is created, you'll have the option to download the WireGuard configuration file or copy it to your clipboard. Save it for the next step. Step 2. Now, go to the Google Play Store and search for WG Tunnel. Select the app from the search results, download, and install it. Once installed, launch the app to access the home screen. Tap the plus icon located at the bottom right of the screen. A menu will appear. Choose Import from File to load the WireGuard server configuration from your Downloads folder, or Import from Clipboard to load it directly. Once the server is added, you can edit the configuration if needed. To do this, press and hold the server profile, then click the gear icon on the top right corner of the screen and select Edit Tunnel. Under Endpoint Settings, enter a valid SNI before the WireGuard server address and save the configuration. Conclusion. Now, you're ready to activate your VPN. Simply tap the radio button to connect. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your WireGuard server and VPN client. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.